If you're trying to play Coaster Tycoon 3 and you're wondering how to zoom in and zoom out using the keyboard or mouse, on the mouse, if you have a scroll bar, you can just slide the scroll bar and it should zoom out or zoom in if you move the scroll bar, this little scroll bar over here. But if you don't have a mouse with the scroll bar, then you can use the keyboard. And so it was my kid who was wondering how to zoom in and zoom out without pressing on the screen or something. So you'll just use page up and page down. So if you do page up, it'll zoom in. So page up zooms in. You can hold it. And page down over here zooms out. So page down, if you press and hold, will zoom out. That's it. I just wanted to say how you could zoom in and zoom out with the keyboard or mouse. Use the page up or page down, or use the scroll thingy on the mouse. Will let you zoom. That's it. Maybe I'll be posting more Roller Coaster Tycoon basic help vids, but this is just the one I wanted to post.